And these ones are, as you can see, its ergonomic shape is quite different.
Well, it's very different. Yeah, it looks weird, to be honest.
Yes, it looks like some stool for the dentist, but it's not. Actually, it's very helpful because this shape of it aligns to the brow shape, so it lets you work without losing your brow shape. So you align your brow, your tweezer like this, and you start plucking without losing that brow shape. So it makes it straight like that. You know, you go like this.
You've done that without a mirror. There is a mirror here if you want to use it. But I have to say, having tried these, they're incredible. Quite often when you're using regular tweezers, your hand gets in the way.
Yes.
And you can't see what you're doing. And these are produced so that that doesn't happen. Your hand is out of the way. But I love this line. Yeah. You can either use it there, but you also have that little point if you want to just take the tiniest of maybe an ingrowing hair out.
Exactly.
You can really catch the tiny brows too.
It's very precise. The tweezer is very precise. It allows you visibility. You see? So when you have like sometimes like you said, an ingrown hair, you target that hair. Its point allows you to take that out. But you know, sometimes the slanted one. I'm going to show you now how I align my tweezer too. So you can see I made this already, so it looks a bit tidy. And this one I draw it first, and so you can see how am I aligning the tweezer. You see the hair at the top?
Now, when I was young, I was told you shouldn't pull out from above the eyebrow. No. You only pull out from below. But what you can already see that what you do is create a beautiful, clean line.
Exactly. That's the cleanest. And, you know, this because allows you precision and it just, you see, it glides. I'm taking like 4 hair times at a time.
It's fantastic because you've got that straight line. It lies along the line of the brow, so it allows you. It's a unique shape that allows you to really shape the eyebrow in a smooth line. You're not digging in and pulling bits out and creating a dodgy line.
And look, even in the side. You align it to the side of the eyebrow, and you take the one. So see how clean it is now?
Yes.
Just by doing that.
That's fantastic to see that on there like that. I mean, it's not something that you can repeat because we don't have any more straggly eyebrows because it's done it so well. But underneath as well, of course, it works well. And it's not just one brow at a time, one hair at a time, is it?
You can see the visibility. You can take like aligning the eyebrow underneath also to make that tidy cleanness. It's very precise. Like I said, I'm just taking, in just a quick moment, I did the eyebrow. Just taking this, because I'm taking 3 or 4. It's so precise that I use glasses. I can't see.
Really?
So right now I'm just guided because it is. I was a little bit nervous
because you don't want to wear your glasses on air.
Exactly. I was like, oh. But the tweezer aligns itself.
It does.
So I have completely trust on it.
Now, half our reviews absolutely love them and would never be without these because they've really got on with them well. They found that, you know, they say it managed to pluck all the stubborn hairs my old tweezers struggled to remove. I'm amazed how good these tweezers are. Totally converted, having expected to send them back. There were a few people have found them harder to use. They are different. You do need to actually persevere.
Yeah, if you're using it on your own, as I do it, is, for example, like here, I'm just going to look at you like here. Just, I align the tweezer and I start plucking like this.
Yes.
The same under.
And so you don't go in with the point, do you? Although you don't go in that way, you actually you're using the length
this
of
little
the
point.
tweezer,
Yeah, from here, but it aligns. Also, you could take from here, but I don't personally. I just use it as a guide.
Yes.
Which is the key to get like that straight.
So it creates that beautiful smooth line, and which it looks almost as though you've already put your eyebrow pencil in.
Exactly.
Because it just creates a really strong. Well, in fact, you have actually used a bit of eyebrow. I know you said you colour it in so that you know which hairs to pull, but it sort of just does it automatically for you. So give it a go, and remember that the beauty is you can actually see exactly what you're doing because of the angle of it. So you go in and you use this line, you use that long line to create the line above and below.
And with tweezers as well. Sorry, with eyelashes.
So you can use, if you can use the point, if you've got a really awkward little hair, a tiny one or a very short one, you can go in with the point.
It's very sharp and very precise.
What I find is you don't nick the skin with these either, which you can do when you're going in with a blunt pen. So 401 078. Barbara, absolutely brilliant. I'll give you those back. I could walk off with them very happily, but I have got a pair at home. I do think they're wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
Get them home, give them a go, and you will never want to use regular tweezers.